How to complete Milestone in Monopoly Go. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you on how you can complete Milestone in Monopoly Go. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing you want to do is let me open the Monopoly Go app. And in the lobby, as you can see a tournament button right here. But unfortunately, right now, there is no tournament available. Maybe the other day it will be available. So if you see a tournament button here, you can click it and I'll show an example. Example, this one here, we have up and away tournament. And you will receive 25 gifts before the time runs out. So how we can complete Milestone? Of course, it will show here on how it works. This will show you on how you can complete Milestone in this current tournament. So in this case, it said land on these tiles and etc. You can read the instructions. Then if you're done with the challenge, you will then complete Milestone. I hope you get it. And that's how to complete Milestone in Monopoly Go. I hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. See you soon in the next video.